Asphalt doesn't last forever, and without proper maintenance, repaving is inevitable. But there is an eco-friendly, cost-effective alternative. Restore and protect your new and existing asphalt surfaces with RePlay, BioSpan's bio-based penetrating asphalt sealer. Applied to the surface of new and existing asphalt surfaces, RePlay penetrates deep to restore flexibility, protect against oxidation, and lock in aggregates, all without the need to restripe or disrupt traffic. A sustainable, non-toxic sealant that cures fast and prolongs the life of asphalt by up to 5 years. The results are clear. RePlay protects, preserves, and saves you money. Don't repave. RePlay.